How to send view once photo on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to send a disappearing photo on Instagram so people can only view it once. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone, and once you have opened the Instagram app, simply tap on the chat icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And once you are in the DM section, simply choose an existing chat, or you can even start a new conversation. Now, once you are inside the chat, simply tap on the camera icon in the left to send a photo. Now you can either take a new photo or select an existing one from your gallery. Now at the bottom you will see different options. You can tap on allow replay if you want the recipient to view it more than once. And you can tap view once to make the photo disappear after it's viewed. And once you have selected, simply send the photo, and now when the recipient opens the photo, they will only be able to see once before it disappears. And that's how you send a disappearing photo on Instagram. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.